Welcome to English Learn with Zohan. Total question 15. Time 5 seconds each questions. Good luck. Subscribe now and never stop learning. Learn smart. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Question 1. He plays well, he practices daily. Option A is the correct answer. Question 2. I know him, I do not know his name. Option B is the correct answer. Question 3. He speaks both English and Urdu. Option B is the correct answer. Question 4. They were tired, they kept working. Option A is the correct answer. Question 5. He started late, he reached early. Option B is the correct answer. Question 6. We must eat, we will starve. Option A is the correct answer. Question 7. She came early, she waited for others. Option B is the correct answer. Question 8. He is honest poor. Option A is the correct answer. Question 9. I will help you, I can. Option C is the correct answer. Question 10. He went home, he was tired. Option B is the correct answer. Question 11. We were not at home, we were at school. Option C is the correct answer. Question 12. I stayed at home, it was raining. Option A is the correct answer. Question 13. She neither speaks English, French. Option B is the correct answer. Question 14. I waited, she arrived. Option A is the correct answer. Question 15. He knew everything. Option B is the correct answer.